Yo, what's up? Quick question. Who's causing so many breakups in YouTube? Yep, you guessed it. Josephdary. Okay, point of correction. He isn't the cause, rather the exposer, the revealer of what happens in the dark. While his content makes you crack, he also makes money. Now I gotta say this video is for entertainment purposes only. And with that, shout out to 2 Miller Richard for inspiring today's video. What content he does is probably none of my business, but how we doing it today. So JosephdDary now has over 300,000 subscribers and counting, making him one of the biggest YouTubers in SA, South Africa. And with that title comes a lot of money. Now before you think I'm talking BS, I'll actually show you how I calculate these numbers in a sec. So JosephdDary has an RPM of around 22 Rand, which is the amount of money he makes per 1,000 ad views. That's going to be relevant in a sec. So JosephdDary is very consistent, posting every day, you know what I'm saying, and averages around 100,000 views per video. Damn. So theoretically speaking, he makes around 2,200 rands per month. So theoretically speaking, he makes around about 2,200 per video. Wait till you hear how much money he makes per month. So on a monthly basis, JosephdDary, he gets around 4.7 million views per month. Now we're going to put that in our equation. Alright, so 4.7 million rands divided by 1,000, then times it by his RPM, which is 22 rand, to get a whopping 1,100. Damn, I can't even say it's so big. To get a whopping 103,000 rands per month. That's crazy. And you know what's crazy? Why you haven't subscribed already? Please click that like button and subscribe. Click on the video on the screen right now, and I'll catch you there.